Hey everybody, so this is my X-Tool M1 laser. It's got a small footprint. And I just made this 2 foot by 3 foot oak plaque for a local Boy Scout troop. And I just engraved it. Down here, my biggest thing was keeping this square. So down here I used blue tape and hot glue and put a block here using a level. And then I just raised the unit up and pushed this against the edge, and that now squares this board to the unit itself. And I think that came out really well. Pretty intimidating engraving something this large, because I built this. You really want to get the engraving done correctly. But if you use that hot glue, the tape's not hot glued. You just put the tape down, then put some hot glue on top of the tape, push this down, hold the level against it so that it's level to the side, and you'll get good results. Let me know if you've ever done this.